Right guys, just a quick review of Destiny by JayKay Dowdall. Now, I've promoted a couple of JayKay's products in the past, and JayKay's products are absolutely outstanding. Some of the best products I've promoted. Very high quality. He's got really good presence in his videos, high quality videos, and outstanding value. Now, Destiny is no different. You are absolutely going to be blown away by this trading, I assure you. I've actually implemented it myself in my own business. I'll go over some of the results I'm having with it already. It's a fantastic way of doing things. Now, Destiny is all about chatbots. Now, with chatbots, you can basically, you're building a list of people in Messenger, so you can actually contact them through actual Messenger. Now, the advantage to this is the open rates and the click rates you get are absolutely through the roof compared to what you get with email. Now, it's not going to replace email marketing, but you will want it in addition to your email marketing. When I show you the results I'm getting with it, you'll understand why. Now, the first section, it goes over how to get started, setting up your chatbots. Now, the chatbot service he uses is actually called ManyChat. Now, there is a free option and a paid option. Let me just show you. Okay, so they've got free and a pro. The difference is with the free option, you will have, when you send a message, it will say powered by ManyChat at the bottom of the message. But I've gone for the pro option, and I've got the $10 a month one, so because I haven't got 500 subscribers on mine yet. So that's the lowest package you can get, and as you can see, as you scale up, 1,000 subscribers is $15 a month, 2,500 subscribers, 20. So it's very cheap to set up. So you can either go the free route or the pro route. Now, it goes through in detail how to set it all up, creating your first chatbot, adding a chatbot landing page. I'll go over what landing pages I set up, picking an offer, and the pre-sale pages and bid pages. This is how he is promoting affiliate offers. Okay, so first it starts off with the free traffic chatbots, and what I like about this, his case studies. Okay, he's got 3 case studies here. All these case studies, the results were from him using the free traffic method. Okay, so and I actually tested this, and I'll show you the results I've been getting. Then you can scale it with solo ads, adding people to your chat box using solo ads, and then goes over advanced Facebook chatbots. Now, obviously these 2 methods are paid, and the sales page does mainly promote the free side of it. However, all 3 methods are fantastic. This is the method I've used, the free method so far. I'm just starting to get some of my other other lists, and sending them out to landing pages with a chatbot link on, which I'll go over in a second with some of the landing pages. So the case studies are of all Warrior Plus type products, Profit Rain, Rika Ching, and Pim case study. And he goes through his ad copy, his landing pages, his messages, how he set up the chatbot, etc. Now, as I said, I tested the free traffic method, Okay, and a lot of you know I am not a big fan of free traffic, so for me to do a free traffic method, it obviously doesn't take a lot of time, because I hate wasting a lot of time on free stuff. Right, so I like to see results pretty quickly, and I rather pay for them. But however, the free traffic method is really good, and it's very easy, and it's quick. Results are quick as well. So this was the first one I did. It was a product that was launched by Brendan Mace a couple of weeks ago, called El Bandito. Now, all I did was a Facebook post. Now, I actually didn't follow the training step by step, which I should have done, and I actually made a massive boo-boo, but I still managed to get some results. So make sure you follow his training step by step, and don't do a kneel and mess it up. Alright, so there was a couple of little things I should have done which I didn't, and it lessens my results. However, this was my first attempt at this free method. Now this 35 opt-ins is not a massive amount, but a 42% conversion rate. So basically, I sent people a link, they opted in, and that's my opt-in rate, 42% opt-in rate. Now I don't know if that's a unique impressions, I have no idea. I'm assuming it is, but I'm not 100% sure. However, look at the open rate, 97% open rate. And with the welcome message, I sent them a link. 74% people clicked on that link. 74%. So even though I only had 35 opt-ins, 74% of them clicked on the link. Now, that is huge. As soon as I saw that, my gears are whirring. I'm thinking, where else can I put these links? And I'll be putting them everywhere. I'm going to be putting as many people into these chatbots, as well as growing my own email list, as I can, because the engagement is huge. Okay, and these chatbots, you can automate everything. It's an absolutely fantastic way of generating high quality leads and sales. This campaign actually generated an extra $56 or $57 on top of what I would have made, on top of what I'd made from my email campaigns, as I ran them as completely separate campaigns, and this did it. Now, $56, $57 is not life changing in many ways, but that was just from this Destiny method, and I only had 35 opt-ins, so $56, $57 from 35 opt-ins is pretty good in my book. Not fantastic, but pretty good. Now, I didn't even use my own website. I sent them to a ManyChat page, which he set this up in ManyChat. I just had an image of some results. I pulled this from the El Bandito sales page. This is the ad text, and then they click on this link on this Tell Me More button, and ManyChat sends them a message. Okay, let me just. In fact, I'll do it now. Let's see. Tell me more. Just clicked on Tell Me More. So it's redirecting them to to my review page. Okay, so this is my review page for El Bandito. Okay. Now that's my phone just gone. It sent me that tweeting. That's sent me a private message. So if we go to my Facebook, okay, there we go. Welcome Neil, thank you for requesting more information about the unique technique for driving traffic and sales. Just click on the link below to access the details. PS if you ever want to stop, and then you click access here, and they were sent to the review page. So that's how easy is that? Anybody can do that. Didn't need a website. I used just used a ManyChat, set it up all on ManyChat, and chucked out ads following the instructions in Destiny, and I generated an extra $57 on a promo that I wouldn't have had otherwise. Now, and I've built a list that I can. I mean, 97% open rate is crazy. So now I've done another test. This is for Destiny. I've been running this for the last 2 or 3 days. I've got 47% opt-in rate, 47 subscribers. Conversion rate was a little lower on this one. Opened, 95% of people opened it. Now there's no clicks because I haven't done my review yet. I'm doing the review now, and so I will be sending them a broadcast when the review is done, and hopefully I'll get another 95% will open it. I'll see the message, and hopefully I'll be getting 70, 80, 90 people click through to the review. And this is the page of it. Again, I just slapped it up on ManyChat, because you can add these buttons to your own website if you want. Created a simple video. This was free. Let me show. Silence that. That was silence that. Right. I had this created free, and in one of my bonuses, I'll tell you where to get these stunning videos made up. There are free options, and there are also low cost but paid options as well, where you can create even better videos. This was a fast and dirty one I just chucked together for this promo, and so far it's got 47 opt-ins. So then when I've finished this review, and finished my review page, I'll be messaging him the link to the review. So I highly recommend you implement this strategy into your marketing. It's fantastic training. Absolutely love it, and building up these chatbots is the way to go. It's a fantastic way of generating highly responsive leads. It's crazy. I mean, 95% open rates is unheard of. It's fantastic. So yeah, check out the bonuses below. Now there's some are unique bonuses, some not units, depending if you've seen this, if you've bought from me before. The 50,000 leads packages, they are totally unique to Destiny. I've offered lead packages before. These are completely different leads to if you purchased any lead packages before. I'll show you where to get the videos, high quality videos done, and all the other bonuses below this video. Okay. Also, check out the case study below this video of this system in action. If you're watching this on YouTube, just click the link below this video to watch the other case study of this system in action. Highly recommend it. Get it before the price goes up and implement it. Follow the training. It's not hard, seriously not hard. It's very easy to do. You don't even need your own website. The results are fantastic. Good luck with your campaigns.